Beekeeping is a scientific way of rearing of honeybees in our area. So, the place where we keep the beehives is called as apiary. So, there are different components in integrated farming system. So, nowadays beekeeping is one of the major important bee component in the integrated farming system. There are 5 different species of honeybees where we can see in our state. So, out of that 2 species are wild bees, that is rock bee and little bee. The rock bee is scientifically called as Apis dorsata. So, and this little bee is scientifically called as Apis florea. These 2 species are wild bees, but it is difficult to rate these 2 wild bees, but these 2 bees are very important as a key pollinator in our ecosystem, since they visit more number of plant species in 2 to 3 kilometer radius. So, these pollinators plays a major role in seed setting and also increasing the yield of our crop produce. So, coming to our domestic species, there are 3 domestic species. The very first is our native bee called Apis cerana or Indian honey bee. So, this species we are our state government is promoting to take this beekeeping with Apis cerana. So, these species construct parallel combs, and so in nature there are so this bee species nesting in a cavity. So, especially in termite mounds or tree cavity like that. So, it prefer dark condition in a cavity for constructing the natural nest. So, another bee called as European bee, also called as Apis mellifera. So, this species is very suitable for migratory beekeeping. So, where in case of North India, the farmers are used to practice beekeeping with this Apis mellifera. So, this Apis mellifera yields almost 25 to 30 kg of honey per year per colony. So, one more species called stingless bee, also called as Trigona or Tetragona iridipenis. So, it is very a small bee. So, nowadays we are developing a technology for rearing this species also. So, it yields only less than a kg of honey per year, but with respect to medicinal importance, this honey is very rich in antioxidants, and so it is well known as medicinal honey, that is stingless bee honey. So, with respect to farmers view, so we are promoting to take beekeeping with these 3 domestic species, especially with our native bee called Apis cerana. So, we, the University of Agricultural Sciences Bangalore, All India Coordinated Research Project on Honeybees and Pollinators, we are promoting beekeeping with this Apis cerana. So, every year we are giving a training program to our farmers. So, 2 to 3 days training program we are going to conduct, where we can cover a complete scientific way of beekeeping for the farmers. In that, we are also focused on the different species, management of honeybees, and also the importance of bees with respect to pollination, and also we are focusing on the marketing of honey. So, with these aspects, so we are encouraging our farmers to take beekeeping as an integrated farming system, or as also there is a more scope for taking this beekeeping as an entrepreneur. So, with this we are giving a service to our farmers. Thank you very much.